Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'll take you through how to create a strong password for your accounts. Any account at all. It can be an account on social media. This day and age, people conduct businesses on social media, so you need to protect that account that you use on social media with a strong password. It can be an email account to protect your email against hackers and stuff. So you can also have a strong password for your laptops, your PCs, to protect your data on that particular machine. So what are the requirements you need to follow to create a strong password? The first one we will look at is that the password has to be at least 12 characters long. It has to have at least one uppercase. It has to have at least one lowercase. At least one number should be in there, and then at least one special character should also be in there. So you can create a strong password from a random name of a place, an object, or an animal, the first letters in the word of a statement or a sentence, or a favorite word of yours. It just has to be a strong password at the end of the day. So an example here is that I'm using the city of Los Angeles in the United States to create a strong password. So that is the password. That is the password I created out of the city of Los Angeles. So you can see that the L is represented with the normal capital L. The O is represented by the number 0. The character there is 0, and then the S is represented by the $sign. The space in between the two words, I used the underscore character to separate them, and then all those other characters there, you can see that the 4 looks like the capital A in the Angeles. We have the number 3 representing the E, the first E in the Angeles, and then I used the capital E in the second E for the second E in the Angeles. So you can play around with them and then make sure that you meet the requirements to create a strong password for your account. You can also use the name of an animal, and in this case, I'm going to use the honey badger, one of my favorites. Wild animals. So that is the password I created out of the name of the honey badger. So the H is capital. The O, I used the number 0 for added security, and then the rest of the honey, the NEY, normal. And in this case, I used the period or point to separate as the separator, and then for added security, I removed the D from the badger, and then the rest of the password follows like that. So the E, you can see I represented it with number 3, and then it has the special character exclamation mark at the end. You can also use the first letters in a statement or in a sentence, the first letters of every word in a statement or a sentence. So in this case, the example I used is on June 15th, I will go on a family vacation. So you can see that I have the capital O in the password, the J for June, and then I used the 15 and then a comma for added security or for added complexity. And then you can see the rest of the letters in the words follow in the password I created. So this is a very strong password that you can also create. This is very easy to memorize, easy to remember if only you memorize that particular statement, or you have that particular statement saved somewhere so that it can guide you to remember the password you created. So yes guys, this has been a quick video tutorial on how to create a strong password for your accounts. Kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to help us to grow this community together. Click on the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye for now.